Welcome to Stoic Reign. Doubt ever silence your voice or dim your fire? Stoicism exercises can turn that doubt into unshakable confidence, not with hype, but with quiet daily action. This is your call to rise. Stoic philosophy builds strength through what you control: your actions, mindset, and purpose. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. At Stoic Reign, we craft Stoicism practices to forge a Stoicism mindset, helping you reduce anxiety, boost mental health, and thrive in chaos. Stoicism exercises. 22. Delivers 8 transformative Stoicism lessons to build confidence over time. Perfect for Stoicism for beginners, Stoicism for women, or anyone seeking Stoicism motivation. These exercises blend Stoic quotes with practical steps for self-improvement, productivity, and Stoicism relationships. Join our 7-day confidence challenge. To make them your daily ritual, meet 3 new voices whose stories prove Stoicism daily transforms uncertainty into power. Then dive into exercises that redefine your path. Let's begin together. Stories of transformation through Stoicism. Elena, 32 therapist. Elena's confidence wavered under client expectations, her fear of not being enough surfacing in sessions. Stoicism exercises taught her to anchor in purpose, not perfection. By reframing challenges as growth, she now leads sessions with calm authority, her clients thriving. Stoic philosophy made me trust my impact, she says. Theo, 40 small business owner. Theo's bakery faced supply chain chaos and self-doubt threatened his vision. Stoicism practice helped him focus on effort, not outcomes. Small, consistent acts, innovating recipes and serving customers, rebuilt his confidence. Today, his shop is a community hub. Stoicism motivation showed me resilience is confidence, he shares. Maya, 36, high school teacher. Maya felt invisible grading papers late at night, her passion dulled by routine. Stoicism for beginners offered tools to find purpose in small moments. In her journal, she wrote, "Today I chose wisdom over frustration. Stoicism reignited my spark." By embracing mindfulness and Stoicism lessons, she inspired her students and herself. Stoicism exercises lit my spark again, she says. These stories aren't dreams. They're proof of Stoicism daily. Now explore 8 Stoicism exercises to craft your unshakable confidence, rooted in Stoic quotes and designed for self-improvement. Each fits busy lives, boosting mental health and productivity. Day Stoicism Confidence Challenge. 8 exercises day. 1. Keystone of Virtue. Purpose. Anchor your day and values to build self-trust. Actions. Morning. Take 4 minutes to journal. Choose 1 Stoic virtue: courage, justice, temperance, or wisdom. Write 1 way to live it, e.g. courage, I'll pitch my idea. Add a Stoic quote: if it's not right, don't do it. Marcus Aurelius. List 1 action, e.g. email my proposal. Evening, note how it felt. Say, my keystone holds. Draw a keystone arch. Why it works. This Stoicism exercise fosters a Stoicism mindset, building confidence through integrity. Ideal for Stoicism for beginners. Character. Elena used this to lead therapy sessions boldly. Practice. Do daily for 7 days to feel your foundation strengthen. Day 2. Weave of fate. Purpose. Turn challenges into threads of growth. Actions. Evening, take 7 minutes to journal 1 struggle, e.g. a work conflict. Ask, how does this weave my strength? List 3 ways it builds you, e.g. teaches patience, sharpens communication, builds resilience. Pick 1 action, e.g. I'll mediate tomorrow. Say, my weave creates. Draw a woven thread. Why it works. Rooted in amor fati, this Stoicism practice fuels Stoicism motivation and productivity. Perfect for Stoicism relationships. Character. Theo used this to innovate during supply shortages. Quote, accept the things to which fate binds you. Marcus Aurelius. Practice. Do nightly for 7 days to see obstacles as allies. Day 3. Torch of foresight. Purpose. Prepare for setbacks to stay steady. Actions. Morning. Take 3 minutes to write about an upcoming challenge, e.g., a parent-teacher meeting. List 1. Potential issue, e.g., a parent might criticize, and 1 virtuous response, e.g., I'll listen calmly. Say, my torch lights the way. Draw a torch flame. Why it works. Inspired by premeditatio malorum, this Stoicism exercise boosts mental health, ideal for Stoicism for women under pressure. Character. Maya used this to handle classroom critiques with poise. Quote, fortune falls heavily on those for whom she's unexpected. Seneca. Practice. Do daily for 7 days to feel unshaken by surprises. Day 4. Tapestry of service purpose. Grow confidence through contribution. Actions. Weekly. Take 5 minutes to plan 1 act for others, e.g., I'll mentor a colleague. Write why it matters, e.g., it builds trust. After, journal how it felt, e.g., I felt connected. Say, my tapestry unites. Draw a tapestry patch, why it works. Based on sympathia, this Stoicism practice strengthens Stoicism on love and Stoicism relationships. Character. Theo used this to serve customers, boosting his purpose. Quote, we are born for cooperation. Marcus Aurelius. Practice. Do once during the 7-day challenge to feel confidence through impact. Day 5. Anvil of action. Purpose. Forge obstacles into growth. Actions. When a setback hits, e.g., a delayed project, pause and write it down. Ask, what virtue can I forge? Pick 1, e.g., wisdom, I'll learn from this. Take 1 action, e.g., I'll revise my plan. Journal the outcome. Say, my anvil shapes me. Draw an anvil. Why it works. Inspired by the obstacle is the way. This Stoicism exercise drives self-improvement, perfect for Stoicism daily. Character. Elena used this to turn client doubts into better sessions. Quote, the impediment to action advances action. Marcus Aurelius. Practice. Do daily for 7 days to see setbacks as confidence builders. Day 6. Veil of humility. Purpose. Root confidence in authenticity, not ego. Actions. Evening, take 5 minutes to reflect on a moment you sought approval, e.g., I wanted praise. Ask, how can I act from truth? Write 1 way, e.g., focus on my mission. Take 1 humble action tomorrow, e.g., I'll thank a coworker. Say, my veil clears. Draw a veil curve. Why it works. Epictetus's anti-ego wisdom makes this Stoicism practice vital for Stoicism relationships. Character. Maya used this to teach without needing validation. Quote, don't pretend to know what you don't. Epictetus. Practice. Do nightly for 7 days to feel confidence through humility. Day 7. Spark of gratitude. Purpose. Reframe your day with appreciation. Actions. Evening. Hold an object, e.g., a pen, for 10 seconds. List 3 things you're grateful for, e.g., a kind word, my strength, a sunset. Write how one shapes you, e.g., the kind word reminds me I'm valued. Say, my spark ignites. Draw a spark burst. Why it works. This Stoicism exercise boosts mental health and mindfulness, aligning with Stoicism lessons. Character. Theo used this to appreciate customer smiles, fueling his drive. Quote, gratitude turns what we have into enough. Seneca. Practice. Do nightly for 7 days to build steady confidence. Day 7. Bonus. Compass of mortality. Purpose. Live with purpose by embracing life's brevity. Actions. On day 7, take 8 minutes to journal about mortality. Ask, if this were my last month, what would I value? Write 1 priority, e.g., family time, and 1 action, e.g., plan a game night. Do it, then note how it felt. Say, my compass guides. Draw a compass rose. Why it works. Rooted in memento mori, this Stoicism practice fosters Stoicism on love and mental health. Character. Maya used this to prioritize student mentorship, finding purpose. Quote, live each day as if it were your last. Seneca. Practice. Do once on day 7 to feel a confident urgency to live well. Why this Stoicism challenge works. These 8 Stoicism exercises form a 7-day journey to unshakable confidence. The keystone of virtue grounds you. Weave of fate fuels resilience. Torch of foresight steadies you. Tapestry of service connects you. Anvil of action empowers you. Veil of humility keeps you true. Spark of gratitude lifts you. And compass of mortality clarifies your path. Rooted in Stoic philosophy and proven by Stoic quotes, they transform doubt into strength. For Americans over 35, facing career shifts, family demands, or self-doubt, these Stoicism lessons reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and deepen Stoicism relationships. Whether you're new to Stoicism for beginners or advancing your Stoicism practice, this challenge is your guide to self-improvement and motivation. Start your 7-day Stoicism challenge. Quick start for busy lives. Only have 4 minutes? Try the keystone of virtue, day 1. Journal 1. Stoic virtue and action to live it today. Feel your confidence spark instantly. For the full journey, begin with the keystone of virtue on day 1. Journal your progress to track growth. Share your favorite exercise in the comments below to join the Stoic Rain community. You don't need more motivation. You need a moment of decision. This is it. The day your inner fire stops flickering and starts forging. This is Stoicism Exercises, 22 Ultimate Hybrid Edition. Your confidence isn't a gift, it's a craft. Forge it now, become unshakable.